Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year, BTech, AIML. So guys, we are here to do the 30 Days of Google Cloud program का second track का fifth वाला quest, that is integrate with machine learning APIs का challenge lab. So guys, let's get into this. So guys, first of all, I will do this, enroll in this quest. Okay, we have enrolled in this quest successfully, and guys, let's do the challenge lab. Okay, this is the challenge lab, integrate with machine learning APIs challenge lab. So guys, let's start this. And guys, there is a surprise for you that I have made a GitHub repo for this challenge lab also. Simply you have to do is get into my GitHub account, and you have to go in this repository where you will find this 30 days of Google Cloud, and in this you have to search this integrate with machine learning API, and you have to simply run these commands, and boom, we are finished. So let's start it guys. First of all, I will start the lab. Okay, let's open the Google console. We'll copy the username, we'll use another account, paste it over here. I will copy the password, I will again paste it over here, and let's agree these Google terms and conditions. Okay guys, it's taking time. It will be done within few minutes, no issues, right? And guys, do share my video everywhere, and you can comment me in the comment box if you want and give any suggestions to me. Okay, let's refresh it again. Okay, it's going on. And guys, we are here, and let's agree some conditions and agreements by Google. Okay, yeah, it's here, right? Okay, agree and continue, and it's done. So let's see our first task in the challenge scenario. Okay. Task 1, configure a service account to access the machine learning. Okay, this is only 3 tasks, right? So for that, I will first of all activate my Cloud Shell. Okay, continue. Okay, it's going on. Okay guys, we are here, and first of all we will list our project. That command is gcloud auth list, enter. Okay, after that we will configure project, gcloud config list project, press enter, done. So let's run this command. You simply copy this 3 and to paste it in your Cloud Shell, done. Okay guys, we are done with this. Let's check it. We are done with our first task guys successfully. okay, and also with the second task. Okay, we have successfully completed our first task and second task, guys, as you can see. Now this third wala, so for that we have to do something. I have mentioned everything over here. Open the editor and replace the content of analyze-images.py file with this content which I have provided to you, analyze-images.py. So for that I will click on open editor from here. Let this editor get initialized and get authorization permissions and everything, guys, and let's wait for some time. Okay, guys, we are here. Okay, now I will get into this analyze that dash images.file. I will click this, and after clicking, see this, I have this. First of all, I will simply select this and delete everything from this file, and I will copy everything from this GitHub simply. Okay, no need to worry, guys, just go on. It's going on. Okay, till here. Copy everything and simply come in our editor and paste everything as it is. You don't have to do anything much more, guys. And after that, go on file and click on save all, and you are done. We have saved everything. For assurance, click again on save all. Okay, done. We are done with this also, and let's check it. Okay, what we will do is we will move forward and let's see. In Cloud Shell we have to run this command. I will copy this, I will open the terminal and I will paste it this command and press enter. Okay, it's going on, guys. It said that it will take a few minutes to this task to get completed. Let's wait for some time. Going on, as you can see, guys. Okay, it's done. Now let's check our task. Okay, it's completed. Let's see this. Okay, this is also completed. Okay, now we have to do something in BigQuery, right? Okay, let's see how many tasks are completed. Okay, this is also completed, right? Okay, now last task, like this BigQuery one. So what I will do, here I have written from navigation menu we have to go on BigQuery and run this query. So from here I will get into, okay, I will go into BigQuery. Let's search for BigQuery, guys. Okay, BigQuery, here it is, starting. Okay, click on done, and after that you will simply come in my repository and copy this query and you will paste it over here and click on run. See, guys, this query is running and boom, done. Let's check it if it is done or not. Okay, Okay guys, we are done with this also, and from this we ended our 5th quest, and tomorrow guys we are gonna do the last quest of this 30 days of Google Cloud program. So guys, be tuned and updated, and by this last, and from that we will be finishing that. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. By this we got a skill badge, as you can see. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and be tuned. I will be having many such contents and many things over here. Thank you so much guys.